I feel like I'm moving in slow motion today. It's one of those days. 4 hours sleep. The irony. The pack of this sneaker that we're gonna unbox and talk about is while you were sleeping. I don't think I've been asleep for like a good week, but yeah. Boom, broskies, we are back with an unboxing. A little late, not too late, but later than I wanted it to be. And it's only because I got these directly from the Maniere website, which is over in the US, obviously. 5 days later, I want to say 5 or 6 days later, and £60, 60 plus pounds import fees later, they are here. I'm glad. I'm nervous and excited, as you always are with a pair that you do care about and hold to a high regard. It's more about the QC. It's more about what they look like in hand. Also the state of the box, because this box on the outside looks like it's been through a couple double headers in Hackney Marshes. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, got my tried and trusted cutter. Right, it's a good sign, broskies. Okay, paper out of the way. The Maniere Air Max 95 official colorway is dark violet or burgundy ash. That's pretty cool. That is a pretty cool name. Right, state of the box, decent. Oh, I forgot about these boxes. Okay, get it. Oh, hold on. How rude of me. I forgot to do today's what's on foot. It's another 95, baby. It's the Air Max 95 Unearthed, unDSDs today. Love this pair, absolutely love these. Bit of controversy. People say this is what this shoe should have been. But you know what? The more I see this pair, which obviously I haven't seen it yet, but I mean pictures and early looks and stuff, I'm kind of glad they went for this. But not jumping the gun yet. Amazing colorway, so nice. Obviously full review and unboxing is out on the channel. Lovely pair. This time of year, autumn, come on, is there a better Air Max 95 to wear? So the box is pretty much what came with the Jordan 3 and the Jordan 4, and I think the Jordan 39. I'm not too sure, but yeah, some people like it, some people don't. I'm a bit like, it's not that deep. Doesn't look the best, obviously, because it's all black, very stealthy. It's just this, look, that's broken. That's broken. So yeah, I'm not a fan anymore. I'm just saying. And I think this one's broken too. No, it's not. Anyways, obviously, all blacked out here with the Nike logo in the middle, with the Jordan logo towards the sides and the Converse towards the side of that. And that's pretty much it, nothing outstanding. Although the product sticker does say Air Max 95 SP, the official colorway, like we said, dark violet or burgundy ash. I feel like we're a bit too dark. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Okay, let's open this up. Maniere with the 10 there. Lovely. All right, so it's the same. It's the same as the other pairs with, you know, that tinfoil look. Obviously, this little cloth in burgundy, which is a bit pointless. It would have been cool as a dust bag. I mean, that would have made sense because you could carry the shoes in that. Drum roll, please. Oh man, that's a lot of glue, bruh. Golly. First things first, a lot of glue. I kind of expected it just because the website pictures, like that 3D model you can spin around to show the rest of the shoe, the whole shoe, that had a lot of glue anyway. So it was kind of a thing of expect the worst. Not terrible in a sense of like unwearable, but definitely there. And I'm gonna get a lot of B-roll shots up just because you need to see this, bruh. We have the Maniere little tag here with the A10 spare laces as well. Bro, I don't think I've ever seen laces like this before. It feels like cardboard, but like rubberized. I can't explain it. It's a weird texture, but if I'm looking at it now, I do think these laces will probably look best in the shoe just because of the color. So we get 2 spare laces. So we get black, these cardboard rubber laces, and also these sort of off pink, off like mauve, I guess. It's like a mauve lace. Very nice, very nice. Amazing looking shoe. Very well done. Very well put together. Very premium. The colorway is clean. So much better in hand. I know it's so cliche. Very cliche, bro. Like Gale, the left back. No? But yeah, it's so much better in hand. Like the materials, how they look, the muted tones, even the matted out midsole. That, I didn't expect that. I don't think you could have told by pictures with that. That's special. That is special. I love it. Even the little A logo on the medial, the Maniere logo on the lateral toe area, the Maniere badge on the tongue, the leather, the nubuck, even the insole, bro. One thing's for sure though, is this shoe is stiff. Like, you know when you get normal mesh 95s, I guess, or cotton sort of 95s on the insole and stuff and sock liner? Bro, these are not that. These are very stiff. They're gonna take some wearing in for sure. But yeah, even the texture of the insole is amazing. We've got the while you were sleeping on the inside of the shoe, which is nice. A lovely texture and look to the inside of the tongue. There isn't as many sort of Easter eggs compared to the Jordan 3s. Okay, let's see what the sizing's like, just because there are some people who are going to be paying resale, which actually isn't too bad, you know. I think it's sitting around 250, around 250, 260 on most places, which is near enough what I paid for on retail, which is crazy. Import fees, you gotta love it. Yeah, broskies, they are defo true to size. Just look at that, beautiful. Yeah, definitely. My toe sits maybe like here, which is exactly where I like it. Bit snug, but at the same time, just a little bit of room, just in case, you know. But a lovely, lovely fit, lovely look. Oh, they're hard to take off, but man, I love them. These will definitely need breaking in, just because there's a lot more leather compared to other 95s. Even the unearthed, you know, they have a lot more mesh, a bit more softer with the materials, but these will defo need breaking in. Sizing though, all good, true to size. I'm very glad because there were some raffles, which I obviously took an L on, that I went half a size up, and I just think because of the leather and the insole as well, you might be slipping a bit more than your regular 95. So for me, go true to size with your 95s, whatever sizing that is. Even if you do go half a size up in case you have wide feet, go with that. If you are after these on aftermarket, personally, I would go now just in case, because these look like these might go up. Some people are saying they may be restocks. I don't see that happening just because of how limited this sneaker looked. And for me, this shoe definitely stands on its own compared to all the good 95s that have come out recently. Unearths, Central C's, I mean, yeah, make of that shoe what you will. Hyper Crimsons, those were pretty nice. I mean, all the other GRs that JD and Nike brought out together. But as it stands so far, this is my favorite Air Max to come out this year. Sounds crazy, these are not unearthed, but just like Christian, I have to give the edge to these. Shout out my wrestling fans. But yeah, these are definitely more premium. They're more well made. I know the glue isn't ideal. At the same time, if you're gonna wear them into the ground, it's not that deep anyway. Other than that though, very well constructed, looks so much better in hand. The colorway as well, I can't believe how much better in hand the colorway is. Not just the materials, it's more the tones, you know? And it could be that Maniere did it on purpose just to get people talking, because bro, there are some brands out there that have done that in the past where a shoe looks totally different in a bad way to get the people talking, then they come out and it's an absolute banger. And I think this is exactly that. But the whole pack though, while you were sleeping, is pretty cool. I mean, the threes, super nice, probably second out of the pack for me. These are definitely number one. And at third is the Jordan 4. The rest aren't really the ones I would go for. I mean, they're cool, don't get me wrong, the Air Force Ones, very cool. Not a shoe I'm gonna be wearing. So I'm definitely glad I got these, because this was on top of my list in terms of that whole pack. And it also seems like whoever got these really likes them, and I can see why. Now, the one thing a lot of people were put off by was the eyelets, where the laces go through, and I get it, I do. It's weird, it's different, but at the same time, now that I've got them, I don't really notice them. Now, they may look even better for me with a nice lace swap, maybe a thicker lace or something like a bit lighter. But honestly, looking at them now and on foot, you can't even tell the difference. The only thing though, I am gonna say is because of the materials, like it's nubuck, it's leather, they are going to misshape a lot quicker than your standard 95. Not the end of the world, but it's defo something I've noticed. But broskies, let me know what you think down below. Do you sort of rank these over the unearthed? Do you even like these in general? I mean, is this the best Air Max to drop this year? For me, it looks like it's the case so far. Right, so it looks like some good news. We do have 3M on the shoe. We've got it on the tongue and also at the back. They've kept it traditional here, which is good. Love a bit of 3M on a 95. But there's a lot more to like with this shoe, like the subtle Maniere branding, the colors as well. Yes, the leather. The leather is buttery. And the staple Maniere colors, you know, the browns, the burgundies, the grays as well. Bro, even that tongue, it's lovely. It may look creased over time just because it's leather, but that doesn't bother me, just because it adds to how premium the leather feels. Also, on the tongue, where the Air Max logo would sit, we have the Maniere there. Right, let me move up. Broskis, I know we've just got them, and I know I'm gassed to have them straight out the box. You know how it goes, recency bias and that sort of thing. But just because this is an unboxing and a review altogether, we still have to decide, bruh, whether these are a buy or a buy. Now, for some people, there's enough to put you off the shoe, like the eyelets, maybe even the leather and the nubuck, you're not used to that or you don't like it. Maybe even a lack of mesh on a traditional 95. Yes, there's a lot of things missing in that sense, but I mean, the things that are added do make up for it. The only thing I'm gonna have to do is put a shoe tree in there just to keep this sneaker's shape. And that's something you don't have to worry about with a normal 95. Yes, it's something you have to get used to, I guess, but at the same time, if you do it anyway, like me, sticking a shoe tree in the shoe, yeah, I mean, it's really not that deep. But in terms of Air Max releases this year, I do think this gets the crown. I might be gassed just because I've literally just unboxed them. The Unearthed are so nice, really are. But it's defo very close. And I know a lot of people were wanting the Unearthed to be the Manieres, but now I look at it, I'm glad. I'm glad these are these. I'm glad these are these. I'm glad these are these. I'm glad that these are these. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyways, broskis, love the shoe. Defo Air Max of the year so far anyway. Yeah, you know the vibes. It is, of course, an absolute buy. But comment down below what you think. Are you a fan of the 95 Manieres? Is this the best Air Max to come out this year? Or is this an absolute miss? I really hope you like this video. I did want to get a whole review done, but at the same time, I wanted to showcase my thoughts opening up the box, seeing the shoe for the first time. So yeah, 2 birds, 1 stone. Think it worked out well. Let me know what you think, broskis. Are you a fan of these? I really want to know. It's a very mixed bag. Some people love them, some people don't. Gonna get ready for the stream tonight. What's the time? Yeah, we've got a few hours so I can get some editing done. Leave all your thoughts down below. Like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And yes, until the next episode, take care. Woo!